is that? Oh, that's it. There you go. There's the house there.
Ladies and gentlemen, you're very welcome to Dublin, where the local time is coming up to 9:15. For your safety, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the aircraft has arrived on stand and the fasten seatbelt sign has been switched off. We would ask that you don't turn on your mobile phones until the aircraft doors have been opened. Please ensure you have all your personal belongings with you, including any reading material you may have brought on board. Remember to check the overhead bins in the seat pocket in front of you, and please take care when opening the overhead bins in case anything should fall out and cause injury to you or a fellow passenger. On behalf of Captain Tony O'Connor and the crew, we thank you for flying with Aer Lingus this evening. We do hope you enjoyed your flight, and we look forward to welcoming you aboard again soon. And don't forget to check out our website at aerlingus.com for our cheapest fares and great deals on hotels, travel insurance and Hertz car hire. Slán agus Bonnet Liv Goodbye, thank you, and a safe onward journey to you all.